High in the snow-laden Alps, the Alpine Ibex stands as a symbol of sheer determination and unyielding spirit. Scaling nearly vertical mountain faces, these remarkable creatures navigate their perilous terrain, seemingly defying nature itself. As avalanches threaten, the Ibex showcases its agility and intelligence, deftly leaping to safety while searching for food. This undeterred pursuit of survival plays out in a landscape where every step could unleash a river of snow. In a scene typical of wildlife's raw essence, the Ibex's gravity-defying feats are not merely survival tactics, but a dance with the forces of nature. Through these brave encounters, the Alpine Ibex embodies the relentless struggle and resilience of life in the wildest corners of the Earth.